So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your SuperBox decoder if you are experiencing some unstable channels, or the channels have messed up, or you are not having enough signal and you would like to actually reset the decoder to factory default and then do the necessary settings on it to get a fresh settings on your decoder. All you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button. So from the menu here, use the arrow key just to pass through the menu, and then you come to settings. So settings, and then you press OK on the settings. So with the settings, you look through the list over here from the settings page, and then you put it on factory reset and you press OK on the factory reset. So on the factory reset page, you have restore or restore system settings and then restore program. So you need to select the restore all to actually reset everything on the decoder, and you need to confirm with whatever you are trying to do with the resetting by keying in the default password of your SuperBox decoder, which is supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type in 000 on the remote, 000 for it to proceed. And so currently everything is off from your decoder. You are having a newer settings on the decoder, and now left with you to actually do the necessary settings to get the channels running on your decoder. So in case you were having a satellite FTA channels, all you got to do is to press on the menu button once again. Right now there is no channel on your decoder. You press on the menu button once again, you come to the installation menu or the menu, and then you put it on installation. So installation, if you were having an antenna signal and you would like to scan to get it back, all you got to do is to select the T2 and then select any country for that. Since you're having a stable signal from the antenna, then you perform an auto search. You press OK on the auto search and you are good to go. But if you are having a satellite signal, having the satellite FTA channels, all you have to do is to do the settings for those satellite FTA channels to get those channels back on your decoder. So from the installation page, you need to select the S2, which is the satellite settings, and then you come to the antenna settings. So with the antenna settings, you need to select the right satellite folder, however you want to use it to scan to get those FTA channels. So currently I've connected a signal from the Astra 282B 28 degree, which is the multi-TV channels. So you can select a satellite folder and then you add the multi-TV transponder. So let's select a satellite and then add a multi-TV transponder. So you have the Eurotest at 28 degrees on the 28 east or 28A. So you need to select their transponder, the right transponder. So you select through the list. If you're gonna find it over here, you put it on it and then you proceed. So which is 12525 horizontal, vertical 30K. So if it's not in it, all you got to do is to come to the transponder list page where you can have access to add the transponder. So all you have to do is to follow the command down below. You have the stop button for the satellite option to pop up, so you need to press on the stop button on the remote for you to select the satellites whereby you are going to add the transponder. So you look through the list and then you put it on the satellites whereby you want to add the transponder, which is Eurotest at 28A. So here you come to the add by pressing on the red button on the remote, and then you add the TP multi-TV, which is 12525 30K 30000 vertical. You highlight it. So as you can see how the signal quality is showing to be 72%, and you can proceed to scan by pressing on the blue button on the remote. But on this page, it's gonna allow you only to scan with the manual search. They have locked it on a manual search, and with a manual search you're gonna get only few channels on a multi-TV platform. So all you have to do is to perform a blind scan or a blind search to get more of the channels in and around the transponder or the satellite. So all you got to do is to go back to the antenna settings page, and then you proceed. That's where you're gonna get those blind scan option. So you come to the antenna settings page, and then with the satellite you put it on the satellite whereby you have add the TP, whether multi-TV, my TV, or any FTA TP that you are having a signal from. You put it on the right satellite whereby you add the transponder, and the next thing is to come to the transponder list. You place it on the right primary transponder whereby you are having a stable signal on it, and the next thing is to press on the blue button for the scan menu to open up for you to do the necessary settings over here. So with the channel type, you can select FTA only to avoid the channels that comes along with a dollar sign. Those crumble channels that won't be working, you can select FTA only to eliminate them from the channel list before even appearing on your decoder. So you can put it on all too, and then with a scan type, that's where you need to select the blind scan option, and you press OK to start. So all you have to do is to just wait for it to complete scanning, and then you get access to the channels that will come along after you are done with the scanning. So the number of channels will depend on the quality of the signal, so make sure that you are having more of the signal quality. That will enable you to get more of the FTA channels on that particular satellite. So that's it. You wait for it to complete and you get access to your channels. If this video has been helpful and today is your first time watching a video on my channel, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.